I'm going to show you how you can trigger an instant payout with Stripe. Now, from Stripe here, to get started, you want to go to the balance section from the left here. Now, on here, go to Payouts. Now, on Payouts right now, I don't have any payouts because I'm still in test mode, but I'm going to show you what it will look like. Now, on here, you'll see that this is what the screen will look like. There's a couple of data, but the thing you just want to be paying attention to is the processing one on the $80 on the left there. You can see it's still processing. If you want to pay out now, just tap on that button to pay out now. It's an instant payout. You can see there is a say that pay out to $79.20 instantly for a fee. So you do need to pay a fee. I think the fee is about $1. But if you want to pay out now, just tap on that button to pay out now. There it is, pay out. And you can see, yeah, there it is. The instant payout fee is about 1%, so $80. So just tap on that, pay out now, and then proceed with the payout. Just tap on the blue button, tap on it. There you go. And then that's it. You're done. Payout successfully initiated. You can see on the transaction, it even updated as well.